Right, okay, I've been down the house and it's really bugging me. I've done the video, I've uploaded it, but I reckon it should be quieter than what it is. And the only reason why is because it's in this case. And I think we've got to separate the pump from the case because the case is very, that's just me flicking it. It's very noisy and I think that's what it is. So I want to separate the pump. Sorry about the voice. I got this stupid virus going round. We all know that is. I'm not going to mention it because it just does my head in. So I'm going to undo this case. I'm going to take the pump off. You see me put it on, so you're not going to show. I'm going to show you take it off, and I'm going to try and mount it or extend the pipes so it's on the outside. I'm not going to fix it to the case just yet. Just going to see how quiet we can make it and see if it has made a difference. Me making this case with the pump in it and all the insulation. I reckon it should be quieter than what it is. Let's give it a go. Okay, I'm not keen on using the sort of green stuff. This stuff's alright, but I don't know if I've got enough black hose like this stuff. I've got some somewhere, some spare, but I can use that. I can cut that anyway. Yeah, so that's what we're going to do. That we're going to use some green and extend that down to the diesel heater itself, and let's see if we can get this on. I don't want to mount it. I just want to put it on the outside and just see the difference in noise because it's too bloody noisy. Okay, before we put the case back or anything, I've taken it apart, I've disconnected it, I've reconnected it to the tank. I'm just going to hold it for now. I just want to see the difference in noise. Let's see if it works. I haven't put the extended hose on, I'm not going to be here long enough. Okay, lights on. She's firing up, so I'll come back as soon as the pump starts. Pretty quiet. A little bit of exhaust fumes. I'm not going to stay long in here, I can assure you. Anyway, it's just to show you that because it's mounted to the inside of the case, it's vibrating so much that, I mean, that's a lot quieter. And they're still noisy, aren't they? I've got one in the van, and it's one of those quiet ones I bought from, I think it's AliExpress or something. And it is really good, it's quiet. That's quieter. That's, what, 2 inches away? It's a very good pump, this, by the way. Not the pump, the actual heater's really good. Look, not any smoke. I'm getting out of here anyway. Listen. It seems to self-prime. It does do well, I've got to admit. It's better than the other one, the one I've had before. Anyway, conclusion is, you could do with the pump fitting on the outside of the case. Whether it's on the case, I would presume better off away from the case. Like, let me just show you, hold on a second. Pause this. With the heater running now, you can hardly hear the pump. And that's not fixed to the case now, so it does make a big difference. You can't even hear the pump. It's not fixed, it's just sitting lightly there. It's not vibrating, and the outer case isn't on. So this is the problem. It's the actual case, I think. Right, so with this one over here, I've mounted the diesel heat, the pump. No, I haven't. Where's the pump? It's on the side. Because I built the case, it's aluminium solid. You can't hear the pump on that one. That's the pump down there. There. And that really does work well. Alright, so just an update on the original video I've just uploaded. You can't hear that now. At all. So it's the case causing the problem. Alright, thanks very much. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up and a like. This is just a quick update on version 1. This is now version 2. Take care. I'm getting out of here, getting a bit smoky. Catch you in the next one. All the best. Like and subscribe would be fantastic. Take care. Bye.